What is up? 'Tis the season for pumpkin things. I'm a huge fan of the pumpkin. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin creamer, pumpkin spice lattes, aka PSLs, pumpkin ice cream, pumpkin bread, pumpkin cookies, and last but not least, pumpkin seeds. Today, I'm making pumpkin seeds in the Ninja Foodi. I'm not gonna go through the whole carving of the pumpkin. All I will say is that I carved it with this beautiful SE6 blade. It's probably my favorite knife. It's my carry knife. I absolutely love it. It's really sharp. So I've never air fried pumpkin seeds before, so this will be the first time. I did find a recipe online that, just like every other recipe, goes above and beyond the Call of Duty. I just want basic pumpkin seeds. This recipe, taking all the other junk out of it, basically says once you clean the seeds, let them dry for about 15 minutes, preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees and air fry for about 30 to 35 minutes. And making sure you're checking frequently after the 30-minute mark, because it can go from perfectly done to way too burnt, way too fast. So that's what we'll be doing today. Clean the seeds, kind of spread them out, gonna go ahead and pat them dry. And then I'm gonna let them set for about 15 minutes. At about the 10-minute mark, I'm gonna start preheating the air fryer. So it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the Foodi to 350 degrees. Now, the book says whenever you're preheating the Foodi, it takes about 5 minutes. So I'm hoping that's the case, because it doesn't really have a temperature gauge. It's the only thing that I don't really like about the Foodi. I like everything about it. Everything everybody knows that has been watching my channel knows that I love the Ninja Foodi. But it doesn't have a temperature gauge to let me know what the actual internal temperature is. It tells me what I'm setting the temperature to, but it doesn't tell me what the internal temperature is. Turn it on. It's already set to air crisp. Temperature 350, and time, I'm supposed to air fry it for 30 to 35 minutes, so I'm gonna put it on for 35, and then when it gets down to 30, I'll put the seeds in. Pretty basic when it comes to my seeds. The Foodi's almost done preheating, so I'm actually gonna start getting the seeds ready. I'm only gonna be using extra virgin olive oil, Frank's Red Hot, stinging honey garlic, and Himalayan pink salt. Drizzle on some olive oil, add some salt, and add the Frank's Red Hot stinging honey garlic. Seeds are prepared and the Foodi is just about ready. Just go ahead and add them seeds, baby. The instructions didn't say anything about like shaking the basket every so frequently, but I think I'm gonna, just to kind of help with the cooking process. I don't know if it helps, but I like to think it does, and the placebo effect is real. So with the learning experience on this, I waited about 15 minutes to try to shake it up. I went to shake it. The seeds had stuck to the pan. Probably should have figured that, seeing that I added the seasoning. If it was just the oil, it probably wouldn't have stuck. So I used a rubber spatula to like stir it around. Then that was when I realized the seeds were getting stuck together as well. So I kind of like broke them up. Some seeds fell down through the cracks. Should be fine because there's no like liquid in the bottom. The air will just continue to circulate. So far, they are smelling really good. I was outside polishing my motorcycle and kind of forgot. Let's be honest, kind of forgot about them. Came back in as I walked through the door because I was out there for about 10 minutes. Just the smell of the seasoning and then the air fried pumpkin seed just blasted me right in the face. It smells amazing. Seeds are done. Well, at least the Foodi said they were done. They beeped. They smell amazing. And they actually look really good too, not overdone. Well, it's that time. Wouldn't be a typical Jason video if I didn't taste the product. Grabbed one with seasoning nice and baked on there. all the way through. Didn't have like that slimy center. Sometimes when I would bake seeds in the oven, some of them would be very well done. Other ones would have like that slimy center. So I'm gonna try another one. This one's a thicker one. Hopefully this doesn't have that soft center. I don't mind soft center. I just prefer to crunch all the way through. Nailed it. Ninja Foodi, once again, killing it every time, every time. Air fried pumpkin seeds, absolutely delicious in the Ninja Foodi. If you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more videos, please click subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload a video, hit the little bell button right next to the subscribe button. I hope you all have a safe, wonderful, and blessed day.